Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. All right, you guys, I got 2 items today in the mail, and I guess I'm just going to share them both with you. Although I could break them out and make 2 videos. They're actually pretty quick. So I got Scentbox and I got my Copacetic for September. So let's do Scentbox really quick, and then we will end with a little makeup. So Scentbox is a monthly fragrance subscription. They have several levels of subscriptions. I started out with their base level, which is, pretty inexpensive. It's less than 15 bucks a month. I kind of went through a bunch of fragrances and then I was ready to bump up to premium. So I've been on their premium level for a little while now. And yeah, I'm enjoying those fragrances. It really helps. I get to try all sorts of amazing fragrances for a very inexpensive amount of money. And then while you are basically sampling all sorts of amazing fragrances, you earn Scentbox. And so at any point in time, you can turn those in and buy like a full-size bottle of a particular fragrance you like. Now, this is kicking my butt. I cannot get into it. Here we go. So they have several, like I said, several different levels. I will put all that down in the description because you can get 2 fragrances a month. You can, make a his and a hers, or you can do the singles and you can do different levels. So they have a lot. They have, last I remember, over 850 different fragrances, but they may have increased that lately because they have upped their ante, so to speak. Okay, so this is what it looks like on any given month. Now your first month, it comes in a little bit nicer box, but this is what it looks like from every month, from your second month forward. Now they do send you information on what you ordered, which isn't here, but they also send you a little card with a his and a her fragrance of the month. So her scent of the month is from Donna Karan, New York, or DKNY. It is the Nectar Love by Donna Karan. Says, like a bee, captivated by the irresistible draw to a lush blooming flower, Nectar Love is a floral, fruity gourmand that delivers an addictive, exclusive dose of delicious attraction. Blooming with bright flowers and orange citrus, and the notes are nectarine, citrus, musk, and vanilla. So basically, they just call out a his and hers fragrance. Maybe you would want to try it the next month. They give you kind of some ideas. They tell you the notes in the fragrances. So for his, it is from Versace, and it is a Versace Man Eau. I don't speak French. Frache, Fraiche. I'm slaughtering it. I apologize. So it says, dedicated to the modern man with a charisma and self-confidence, a lighter version of the Versace Man fragrance with notes of lemon, rosewood, starfruit, cedar leaves, tarragon, sage musk, amber, and sycamore wood. So the fragrances or the notes they call out are lemon, bergamot, cardamom, and cedarwood. And I slaughtered the name. I apologize. I did not take French. I took Spanish. So those are just ideas from every month, ideas on fragrances you can try. All right, so this tells me what I got, but I like to just look. My little collection of fragrances is behind me over here. I'm not even sure you guys are able to see them. I've gone through a bunch. Ooh, I like this a lot. Loving the purple. Let me do it like that. So you just twist and there is your scent. Pop it out. This is just enough that you can get a month worth of 1 or 2 spritzes per day. So my scent that I got was, I think I've had this one before. Leonardite. It's an eau de parfum by Givenchy. It is, and it was one I really enjoyed. So I have gotten this before, and I got a refill of it because I really liked it. So I'm wearing fragrance. I don't want to mess them, but when you do spray onto like your wrist, don't rub vigorously, just tap. Rubbing vigorously, I have learned, crushes the notes and can crush the fragrance. So I like the purple. This is cool. This is definitely a repeat for me because I really did enjoy the scent. I did just go into my account. The fun thing on this is you can set up what they call like a queue. You can go through and pick a bunch of fragrances and they will go into your monthly queue. So I think I have another 3 fragrances in queue. So I don't have to worry about, running in and hurrying up and picking my scents. So Yeah, you do get to choose what you want. Now, like I said, there are tiers. So because I am premium, I can choose at their base level or their premium level. Now, because I pay for premium, I'm not going to choose a fragrance that's down at the base level because then I'm overpaying. But they do offer, if you go on their website and you want to sign up for that base level, they do offer, you can get your first month for just under $10. I think it's $9.73. But they do have a referral program, which if you use my referral code, your second month is free. So you would pay on that base, if you were to use the base amount or the base subscription, you would pay that like $15, and then your second month you wouldn't pay anything. So you can either pay like $10 for your first month and then continue to pay the regular price the rest of it, or you pay the full price your first month and get your second month free, which I think is a really great deal. And I do appreciate those of you who have used my referral. I really do, because you get that month free and I do get 1 month for free. So when I joined this, I did use somebody's referral as well, and so I do recommend it. I think it's just a better deal. You get $15 or $18 free, or you only pay $10. So I think free is better than $10, $15 out of pocket. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. I love that subscription. I've talked about it a lot. I really, really love that subscription. The other thing I should mention is, if you don't like the fragrance you picked, you get it, you spritz 1 or 2 spritz and you go, oh, not at all my scent, I really don't like it. They offer 1 free exchange per month. So you can contact them. There's a form on the website and you contact them, let them know you don't like it. You can exchange it once. So that is a great deal. Not too many other ones have offered that. So all right, let's get into Copacetic. Copacetic is a little indie brand based here in the US. And it's, I think, a great way for them to offer people to try their makeup. So you get a little sample-sized nail polish each month, and you can pick between a couple of choices. You get a little sample-sized lippy like that, and you can pick. You get an eyeshadow, and then you always get a mystery item. And occasionally, we have gotten fragrance as our mystery items. Sometimes I've gotten like a highlighter. So then you do pick your eyeshadow. And I literally, because I knew this had just gotten delivered, I went in and did my picks for my next October box. So, all right, there we go. Get rid of the trash. So it is called the Cutie bag, the Copacetic Cutie bag. And it does say you can review your items on the website to earn beauty rewards. And you can tag them on Instagram. So very nicely wrapped. These are literally all samples. Now, generally the eyeshadow is a full size. I forgot to grab my little Z palette, but I do have a Z palette. It's almost, it's a smaller one, but it's almost getting full with my little choices from Copacetic. So this is less than $15 a month. And like I said, it's really a great way for them to introduce you to their brand. Now, I really have liked the lip glosses that I've gotten. The occasional lipstick. I usually grab a lip gloss. Not been a real big fan of their nail polishes. Honestly, they have been more translucent than opaque than I prefer. But that's just me. Okay, so I know this month is going to be a lot of green, which you guys know I'm a little scared of greens, but those were the options. Here we go. So the first one is, this is beautiful, this color. This is a nail polish. It is a, I believe, dual chrome or multi-chrome. This is regular nail polish, you guys. It's not a gel or anything. So let's look at that. Definitely has lots of colors on it. I see reds and greens and golds. It's pretty. Smells like regular nail polish. Okay, this is my mystery item. We'll come back to that. Here is my lip choice, and the color was Covet. Of course, I'm wearing a lipstick, so we'll go ahead and swatch that on my hand. I believe this is another one that's kind of a dual multi-chrome color. Ooh, that's pretty. It is. Ooh, it's very buildable. Has a little bit of that green or sour apple smell to it. Yummy. The green apple smell. Okay, so the color again is called Covet. And I'm hoping you can see it. These are always tricky to pick up on, it's right here, on camera. For one, you know, the lip glosses tends to be somewhat translucent. I did build it up. And then it does have the shifting, which I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to see. I hope you can. It does smell really good. Okay, so we've gotten those two. And y'all, I broke a fingernail today. Got to fix that. I'm going to go ahead and do the mystery item. This is a spray lotion in green apple. Ooh. This is what it looks like. I took the cap off already, but that is what it looks like. So let's see what this spray lotion is like. Ooh, that's a nice smell. So there it is in the middle of my hand. Very nice smell. I like that. Just the faintest hint of green apple. That's nice. Okay, and then my eyeshadow is always a full-size pan. This is beautiful. It is a pressed eyeshadow. It is a 22mm pan. The color I chose is a greener grass. I like the packaging because you can see the shade through the back. I was just unboxing about a week ago, maybe a little bit more, my Cleona, and you can't tell the shade name looking at through their packaging. So I like that this has a see-through and you can see the shade. This is pretty. Y'all know I'm mildly terrified of greens, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, sparkly green. Look at that. A little bit of glitter. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, pretty. Wow, y'all, it's pretty. I really built it up. Definitely a very green metallic. Oh my gosh, really shifts colors. Look at that. I am seeing blues, almost purples, like reds. Hopefully you can see that shift on my hand from the side, and then we roll it around. It's very green. So definitely a dual, if not multi-chrome. Wow, that's amazing. Really pretty shift to that. Definitely shifts to like blue, and I almost get like pinks and purples, but that's pretty. Love the smell of the lippy too. So that is my Copacetic Cutie, you guys. I'm quite happy with this. That is really a pretty color. I will try to not be so scared of greens. No promises, but I'm going to try. Definitely is a glitter. There's definitely glitter to it, but I'm very happy with this. I was a little nervous, you guys, when it was like an all green month, but it's okay. I actually am pretty interested in trying this shade of their nail polish. I do need to fix a nail, so I might try it. Let's try it on one finger and just see what it looks like. Now it's going to be wet, but oh yes. It's pretty. It's definitely like a dual or multi-chrome. So I put it on my ring finger. So very glittery. You know, it is. So the shade is this shade of polygel. So I definitely have a pink background to it, but there's some sparkle there. I'll have to see if I can build it. As it is a normal nail polish, it's got to dry, but put a little bit better coat on it. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. So that's cool. I like that. You know, you could probably really make it pop by putting like a stronger undercolor to it. You could really make it pop green if you put a green base to it. I don't really have a base. I'm kind of using just that polygel color, which is a more of a nudie pink color. So, but very pretty. I definitely see the greens from the, ooh, wow, look at that. I definitely see greens from an angle there. So, yep, pretty happy with this, you guys. I really do enjoy this one. And it is an indie makeup brand made in the USA. Comes out of Missouri. So check them out. And if this is something that, you know, is up your alley, the October choices are out there. And I will tell you, it's my favorite colors, which, of course, for October, you guys, it's shades of orange. So definitely want to check that out and maybe grab before they sell out. So Let me know what you guys think. And of course, let me know what you guys think of Scentbox. This is definitely a duplicated or a refill for me because I really did like that scent. So it was a Givenchy Leonardine. I can't speak for it. You guys, I slaughter it. I slaughter it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. I really appreciate your time watching this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, have a great week. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.